YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to delete your conversation and entire chat history in your Google Gemini. So guys, first of all, remove the specific Gemini conversation. Open your Gemini in your web browser, locate the specified conversation you wish to delete. Hover over the conversation title to reveal the option. Click dot more option, select delete from the drop down menu and confirm your choice in the pop-up window. Erase your entire Gemini chat history. Go to your Gemini activity page in the Google account, select delete activity, select all time, then Gemini, and confirm the permanent deletion when prompted. Your entire Gemini history will be removed. Pausing Gemini activity for future privacy. Navigate to your Gemini activity setting page. Locate the Gemini activity toggle at the top of the page. Click the option of toggle to turn it off. Then confirm your decision and Google will no longer save your Gemini transactions. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.